quiero ser chiquita.
¿Mm?
Como tú.
Ok,
Poner así.
ok.
Papá, mira. Papá, mira. Mira.
Muy bien. Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and I think I'm on week 5 or something. I don't even know. I've been super busy trying to get her curriculum ready for homeschooling. She started yesterday, and so the weekend I had weddings, and then we're running this behavior tracker. And so if they get 5 stickers, up here, then they get one of these rewards. So they chose surprise, which I took them to the flea market so they can spend $1, and then that was for Ria. And then for Lisa, she wanted to go to the pool, so I took her to the pool on Sunday, and then we were having so much fun that we just kept going. I took them to the library. We went to the park and flew some kites, played in the playground. So ever since I started this YouTube channel, I always knew that it wasn't going to take up any of my family time. So just because I didn't want to be the guy that keeps popping up, vlogging in the middle of a family kind of get together or family bonding time. So quality time, there it is. So I've been kind of putting off vlogging, and I think that's going to be a good rhythm where once in a while, I learn something new, research something special, and then share it with you guys. As far as the insanity challenge, it hasn't been working out so good. I wake up in the morning, and then like this morning, she woke me up at 5:30, and she just kept bugging me to watch something. And I'm trying not to let them watch TV, so they can either do activities, play games, or even they have a old cell phone and a couple of tablets that I installed only educational apps on it. So if I let them use it, it's going to be for only educational stuff. So it requires a lot of concentration and a lot of patience because I don't have it yet, and so that's another reason why I haven't really been vlogging too much. But I do still want to show you guys what I'm eating. I still want to share the plans. I need to take some time whenever I'm not busy with them or editing, photo, or shooting, or anything like that to share with you guys what I've been learning so far. But for now, let me show you guys what dinner on Tuesday night is. And so I have a salad like always. I got some broccoli with steak and butter. The steak is kind of like the cheaper. It doesn't really have a lot of fat, so I added butter to it. And then I had made some pizza. And I got some mayonnaise right there for to add some fat to the steak and the broccoli. I had to buy these for a fundraiser for their school. And so I don't have any friends, so I couldn't I couldn't sell the tickets to anybody. So I just bought some, and I figure once in a while, whenever they're behaving well, then I reward them with some mini pizzas. But yeah, aside from that, they're eating some hamburgers that I made this morning, and so far I'm actually, even though I kind of feel bad that I haven't been working out, I'm being productive with her schooling, with work, and planning everything, saving money, trying to remember all the grocery prices and all that. So we'll see. So yeah, hopefully you guys understand that it's a busy time, and you guys can keep watching me. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for whatever I have. Hey guys, so Alexa, stop. Hey guys, so it is, what is it?
Wednesday. Oh, Thursday.
It's Thursday already? Oh wow, I don't think I've vlogged for like 2 days already. Hey guys, it's Thursday night, dinner time. I keep forgetting to vlog my meals. It's the whole point of this vlog. but I've been kind of busy, so she's gonna show you what we're gonna to eat. All right, so we got salad, we got some broccoli, we got some leftover beef and eggplant, and I made this. It's supposed to be some kind of African meal. We got eggs, zucchini, and some sausage, and that's it. Hey guys, I just went to buy groceries and I spent about $90 for the whole week, or at least it's supposed to last a week. So that brings my total for this month, which is week number 3, to just over $430. So it's looking pretty good. At first, when I thought about $600 budget for groceries, it seemed like it was gonna be pretty challenging. But I'm actually thinking I could probably go a little bit lower, since the last couple of weeks I bought a bunch of processed goods like chips and crackers for their snacks. I'm thinking I'm gonna stop buying those and start making snacks for them. So doing that is probably gonna drop another $100 off the budget. So I might be able to do a $500 a month grocery budget. Considering we have 6 people in the house, 5 to 6 people, it's actually pretty impressive, since the last 3 months we've been over a $2,000 mark. So that's our goal, and it's looking good. Another thing too, I just went to the Salvation Army because they both wanted new shoes, and Lisa wanted some Crocs with flowers, and then Ria wanted some girly running shoes, and the only shoes they had available were Crocs with flowers and running shoes in their size. That's crazy. And both for less than $7, and they're clean and everything. Okay. Okay.
Si no quiero comer, pues yo voy a comer más porque yo quiero nieve.
¿Quién dijo que iba a haber nieve?
Eso dijo usted.
Good evening. It is Friday night, and we're doing some yakiniku. I got some vegetables with some Portuguese sausage, some pork belly, and some. They finished all the meat. Hey, you know they had? I got some eggs in there just because, and then some salad. And that's dinner. Morning, guys. It's Saturday. Today is gonna be a really, really long day for me. I have makeups, photo tour at the beach, at the park, a ceremony, and then a 2-hour party. And then after that, I'm gonna try to rush back home, change, and then go with my family to like a stargazing party. It's like a free community event. And on top of that, I went to sleep like at 1:30 in the morning, because I have like 5 weddings that I need to finish. One's due tomorrow, so I had to stay up to finish that one. But thankfully, I drank my coffee this morning. Right now I feel good, I feel energetic. I don't feel hungry at all. I got some almonds in my bag just in case, and I'll have access to water while I'm here. So even though I thought it was gonna be a rough start, especially because Waikiki was supposed to be closed, but I got here early enough that I didn't have to stress about that. But so far the day's going good, and you know, hopefully it goes by fast and I get to enjoy some time with my family doing the stargazing later. Chavi, tell your YouTube viewers where we're at.
So right now we're at Kahala Park, and we're about to look at stars. You probably can't see in the camera right now, but right over there is Jupiter, and then if you look behind you over there is Venus in the sky. We're about to look at it with a telescope, and the link to the telescope is in the description below.
Okay, right there, and you put your hands right And let's see, you might be able to see it. Can you see a dot, a white dot?
She said she
She saw it. She saw it.
Good.
Dile gracias.
There you go.
Or this one uses lenses to focus the light, and that used to be a problem because light bends differently when different colors. Like you use a prism or you see a rainbow.
Hers looks kind of like a rainbow.
Right, and so that used to be a problem with these telescopes, but now they've made lenses that don't disperse the light so much, and then they use two lenses to bring them back together. So it's not the problem that it used to be.
That's a baby.
Yes. Don't touch it. Put your hands right here.
And then put your eye about an inch away from the...
Crazy, huh? It's like you can touch it. Don't touch it over there. Just don't fall. Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy, huh?
Looking for person.
Where's the astronaut?
Hello, Vida.
Hey. I got myself a lettuce wrap burger. Still at the beach hanging out. Good day. You're now going to be in the history of YouTube. Kean Arts. Check the link below for his artwork. Right here, everybody, right here. Yeah, thank you. I can't really make fun of him because I'm doing it right now. Look, I'm a guest. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.